All right, next up, I have my favorite Chinese cheapie. The vacuum that blows away most, if not nearly all vacuums at 10 times its price, if you consider its price being under $100, the Hoover Tempo Widepath, or maybe you could even call it a Hoover Widepath Tempo. Really incredible. 80 nozzle CFM, and at the hose, not at the nozzle, I have 80 inches of water lift. Have a nice clean HEPA bag in there. Really fantastic vacuum for carpets. I really can't recommend it for bare floors because you can't turn the brush roll off. But man, oh man, does it ever clean carpets. So let's see what this can do. It is an aggressive brush roll, as you've seen in other videos. I'm expecting fairly good things for under the carpet, but with only 80 CFM, I'm not going to expect a miracle, but it should do something. I mean, what do you want for, like, I don't know, 80 bucks, 70 bucks? I think somebody, one viewer said they saw a final sale price on it, because this machine isn't sold anymore, I believe, new of it might have even been as low as like $45 or $50 for a blowout sale on it. So, pretty nifty. All right, this one is much louder and doesn't sound as good as the Heritage 2 Legend, so you can turn your volume down if you want. Away we go, and it's set on medium, right in the middle. That's a pretty clean topical sweep. I'm not seeing anything right here, and I'm not seeing anything right here. I do see a little line there, so I don't know. What's it going to look like? So I think it picked up some. It definitely smashed some. 80 CFM isn't as much as I would like. Let's see, are the pores clogged? Well, I can't really say I'm seeing any chunks, but there's a general kind of whiteness right in here that isn't, say, over here, if you can see the difference. I think it picked up some, but not a whole lot. So, pretty good performance, but hey, it's only 80 CFM. What do you want for, like, say, 70 or 80 bucks? Certainly got this, and it certainly got the bare floor. So, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.